Hello, Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Connor Stewart, and today we are going to read this how to epic make epic money. So it's page number 23 and page number 23. I don't know what is unlimited. The biggest assets that you have is yourself, your mind, your body, your education. You are weak. Eat well, exercise, and learn. Eat well, exercise, and learn. They open the door of the new opportunities. Invest in yourself. So it is the reason that unlimited, the biggest asset of you, y- asset is you have in is yourself, your mind, your body, your education, your well-being. You eat well, exercise, learn. They open the door of the new opportunity. Invest in yourself. For everything else, don't just look at the price tag. See the full cost of ownership. If it costs you money and loss value, it's liabilities. Aim to get assets that generate cash flow, asset that earns you money while you chill, asset that covers your expenses, asset that let you uh, do the things you want. Keep liabilities to a minimum. Set a multiple income stream. It is not as hard as you think. Think about what you really enjoy doing, or what you are good at. It could be investing or teaching, painting, singing, cooking, consulting, or setting up a small business with friends or family. Do it, make money from it. My job is super set super hectic. How do I find time for multiple stream? It don't want to be easy to start out. The voice in your head will tell you that you don't have a time, that it takes too much effort. But how could you rather work hard for yourself or someone else? So start. First, stay in your current job. Use your salary as safety net. This way, there is no pressure to make money off your others' income stream from day one. Then take out time from your day job devotee that could be building or buying assets. The ultimate goal is to move towards a passive income stream. You don't have to spend your time to make money. Instead your knowledge, your skill, your process, your money make money for your assets. What you are doing is using an existing skill or developing a new skill, and then actively spending time to make money from it. Then slowly begins to figure how to do the same without spending such time. Page number 25, and that is that active passive voice. So it's a hustle free, hustles and learn uh, money, and put in, pay you for the time you spend and specific work you do. Passive income, self-sustaining income, steady regular income regardless of your activity work hour. Earn money while you sleep. Literally, you need to set off a initial work. Once it get rolling, minimum effort is required. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom. Make it count. Take a finance project, active income. Use your skill. Maybe you are graphic designer, a writer, a web developer. You may are good at teaching, barking, cooking, digital marketing. Maybe you are multilingual, capable of translating which this skill provide part-time service, get paid, convert a passive income, start an agency, hire folk who do the same work that you have done so far. Now they do the work. Your your time goes in organizing them, not in doing the work. So even you are spending time. Work is getting done. Work is getting done. Create content, active income. Got a passive or an interest? Share it. Choose your platform. Start a blog, YouTube channel, social media account. Be consistent. Build an audience engaged with them. Uh, Authentic content always win. Convert to passive income. Once your content gain transaction, money flows, ads and sponsorship that you are consistent your money. You can also earn through affiliate sales, online course, active income. Got ad- advertise, share it, host live classes, help you to you help other, learn while you earn. Convert to passive income. Record lessons once you run them as self-paced course. Upload them on platforms such as Udemy, courses, Skillshare, or perhaps on your own platform. Invest in stock, active income. Do you research about stock? Technical analysis, fundamental trade, future and options. Be one of the screen as soon as the market opens. Mhm. Convert them in passive income. Mutual portfolio of stock managed by an expert for you, but you buy the manage your own. The platform of the companies deliver your returns over the long term. Get the property train. Get on the property train. Active income. Have a flat room or even parking space. Get smart with your space. Rent it out. Might own with hassle, rent, negotiation, collection, maintenance. Some folks love it. Some could prefers otherwise. Convert to passive income. Invest in real estate investment trust. You can buy them just like stock. Uh, your investment grow with the rental and they generated on through royalties. Passive income create people. This one for you. Photographer sell photo on stock image site and on downloads. License your artwork. Collect royalties for uh, sales use. Musician make music on royalties from song wing stream. Write a book. Author write a book. Better it an ebook. Collect royalties on each sales. tech professional develop app or software. They receive royalties on sales or sell the app. Their tricks is to try to new things. Stay curious. It will be thought to start. I promise that you it will be uh, rewarding personally and financially. On with your mind, not your time. So here is one of the quote that I really love it. On with your mind, not your time. This is the deep meaning that it is. Novel Ravikant. Naval Ravikant has said is one of the best that I love this word. So page number 31. So we are going to explain more things about it. uh, there enough for everyone there's enough for everyone. Growing up, I thought that wealth was a zero sum game, a finite pie. For someone to win, someone else has to lose. We are conditioned to believe this. It feels like there is nothing we can do about it. A CEO, wealth comes at the staff expenses. Our friend get a good job. That's one opportunity less for us. The reality is that there is no pie. Wealth can be created instead of just being disturbed. Imagine an Maggie packet. It cost 14. Add water, toast in some veggies, serve with some ketchup. You got a meal that now sold for 45 rupees. Someone added value and created wealth. Added value and wealth is not a zero sum game where there is a winner takes it all. If someone owns, it doesn't mean you will lose. And if you will win, no one else lose. There is a space for everyone. There is wealth for everyone. Yeah, that's the great things in this book has been explained. So guys, please keep reading to make epic money. So we will continue reading. Uh, so here is also one of the things that is mentioned, mm, that I'm going to share about this. Uh, Thinking about this, your salary is not enough. Your salary is not enough. The things beyond it. Uh, there is no limit how much you can earn. True wealth is lies in acquiring real estate, not liabilities, masquerading as assets. One, most of us don't understand the difference between the two. Ask yourself, does it earn you money? Yes. Assets? No. Profession? Maybe not, and liabilities. Built a limitless, mindless. Wealth is not a zero sum game. One owner does not take it all. There is enough for everyone. Do this. Reflect, explore, then identity. 3 to 5 ways in which you can earn more money. Figure out when you will start and how much you will start. Figure out when you will start and how much you will start. So there is a confusion that I am getting in this. Do this. Here is a mention that it is written here as do this. Reflect, explore, then identity. 3 5 ways which you can earn more money. Figure out when you start and how you start. Oh, understand that it means that which thing that I want to start things of your last things you are really want to make made of say that yourself cannot afford this now. Ask yourself, how can I afford it? How can I make it happen? And the second thing is mentioned here, think of at least think of the last things you really wanted that make you say to yourself you cannot afford this. Now ask yourself, how can I afford it? How can I make it happen? So here is a time frame that it is given. So let me think and make a note about it. So let in futures that I can start my own business and start my passive income that creates epic money. So here is one of the best thing. It is written here. Ankur Wariko. There is some tricks and techniques that I can make a epic money by reading this book. I think I can do it with myself that I create a huge money in my upcoming days. So guys, keep supporting me and I will make more videos about it and let me know everyone, just comment how you feel, you like it or not, so it will make me motivate to make more videos for you. So guys, uh, bye bye, take care. Tomorrow we will continue reading this page from page number so here is a topic that so that I can spend it wisely. So we are going to read by tomorrow at 8 o'clock. So guys, take care, bye bye, see you, Jai Shri Ram.